To make pepper rasam, let's prepare freshly prepared rasam powder. The different ingredients, what all we need: 5 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 3 tablespoons of jeera seeds, a few red chilies, and 2 tablespoons of tur dal and chana dal, and few peppercorns, and a few bunches of curry leaves. So let's prepare rasam powder right now. To prepare rasam powder, let's put a pan on the stove and let the pan heat for a minute. Once the pan is heat, add the coriander seeds, add the peppercorns, add the tur dal and chana dal mixture, add the jeera. Give it a nice roast for a minute or two, or until you feel the aroma. But don't fry them a lot, maybe they might be burned out. So ensure that you are keeping the stove on the very low flame and giving it a nice mix once in a while. Now you can add these red chilies. So after we prepare this rasam powder, we are gonna make pepper rasam, which is so delicious food. You can take this pepper rasam as a soup, or you can take with rice. You can see them now, they are finely roasted. So now it's time to take out from the pan and put in a plate. Never ever leave your spices or these things on the pan itself, because they might be overcooked. So take them into a plate so they can stop the cooking. Now in the same pan, take curry leaves, peel them off and fry them for a minute, so that moisture can be released out from this curry leaves. And one more thing, never ever be in a hurry to roast your spices, because they might be burned out. This rasam powder needs a lot of patience to prepare it. So always ensure that your flame is on low, so that spices don't turn out or burn out. So let these curry leaves get nice crispy texture. Once they get crispy texture, meanwhile the spices will be cooled down. Let the spices cool down, because once it is cooled down, we are going to put it into the mixture and make it in a fine powder. Okay, now my curry leaves are also fine. All the moisture has been released from it. So let me off the stove and put this into the spices which we prepared earlier. Okay, now my spices are cooled down, so I'm adding it into a mixture. So be careful while you're adding it in the mixture. I'm gonna add a bit of acinofoda. It's also called as hing. So let me add a pinch of hing, not too much, a very little bit of hing. Yeah. Let me cap it up. Let me cap it up and let us now make it a fine powder. Give it a nice mix. Wow, as soon as I open the cap, it really smells good, and you can see it has been finely grinded now. So now we are ready to use our rasam powder in whatever rasam we're gonna use. So you can see, right, it's finely grounded, with all the smell. I can feel this aroma right now after as soon as I open the mixie cap. So to start with pepper rasam, let's start with the boiling water. Bring it to a nice boil. Take 1 cup of water, add into a pan, and bring it nice boiling. And now we are taking some coriander stems, crunch them, and add it into the boiling water. Add the freshly grounded peppercorns. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Boil it until this gives you nice aroma. I'm adding a pinch of hing. This is very good healthy rasam. You can take it as soup also, because this contains coriander, pepper and turmeric, which is really healthy. Once you feel the aroma of these coriander stems, we are gonna add the tamarind puree. This tamarind puree is, I have taken 1 pile of small tamarind and soaked it in water for 15 minutes and extracted all the pulp from the tamarind. And right now I'm adding this tamarind puree into this boiling water. Give it a nice mix and let the tamarind puree cook along with the water, along with this peppercorns and along with the coriander stems. Just you cook it on this medium flame. Add salt as per your taste. So once we add the rasam powder, then we are gonna make ready for tempering. I could say it's nice boiled, because you can see some kind of froth is forming on this top of the top layer. So this is the right time to add our freshly prepared rasam powder. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of rasam powder. So if you want more spice or more, you can add more of rasam powder. So you can see, right, that nice froth is coming on the top layer of this rasam. So it indicates that it's really cooking well. And from this point, you just cook it for a minute, not more than that. So now let me make my tempering. For tempering, I have taken 1 small pan, added a bit of oil, be careful guys, added a bit of mustard seeds, not more than 1/4 tablespoon. Once you see them splattering, that's the time we put this thing into that. And optional is here, you can add red chilies if you want along with the seeds. So I like to add red chilies, so I'm adding 2 red chilies because this gives nice texture. And if you want, you can add garlic cloves also, but I'm not interested in adding garlic cloves, so I'm just adding in the tempering just few of mustard seeds and 2 red chilies. Okay, now you can listen, right? that splattering sound of mustards. So now let's add this into the pepper rasam. So just cook it for a minute. It's now time for serving this into a serving bowl. There you go. Pepper rasam is ready. You can serve it with rice or you can just take it as a soup, which is really good for your health. So thank you. Please, if you like my recipe, please subscribe, share and comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.